Let's hit our Trader Blitz. 5 stocks making headlines today. First up, Align Technology on pace for its worst day since 2007. Weiss.
So the quarter, the guidance wasn't good. What they're saying is that sales are down to China. I guess they've all straightened their teeth. And the U.S., young adult shipments down as well. And they've seen that as a constant theme in aesthetics, large aesthetic plays. So I would say just focus on the Nigerians. You can sell plenty of braces to them. And,
they have beautiful teeth.
Yeah, thanks a lot. That's
Smile
really
for the cameras.
I'm sorry. They also sell toupees. So.
That is just not right, is it?
All right,
is that
well,
right?
okay.
Okay, Rogaine. Should I keep going?
Stop. Enough insults. Align CEO, by the way, will join Jim Cramer tonight on Mad Money on a CNBC exclusive interview, again, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Stock number 2, 3M, lower despite a beat on the top and the bottom lines. Pete, you own this one.
I do, and initially it was a great day. Things looked fantastic. This stock was running and leading the Dow to the upside, but actually then started pulling back, Mel. They did beat, but the problem is their numbers weren't that great. And you look at the forecast, that was okay. The numbers generally, though, weren't impressive enough to, I didn't understand early on why it was up as much as it was. Now it seems to be trading about where it probably should be. Yeah.
Home construction ETF is up today on pace for its best day since July 12th. Aaron, your beloved home builders.
This is one of the bright spots in the market today, certainly. And what's interesting is we got some fundamental data this morning, which was pretty bullish for the home builder sector. You got household formation rates, which suggested that it's coming out at about 1.5 million on an annualized basis. Right now, the data is trending that we're only forming houses at about 1.2 million. So there's some room there for additional growth. When you look at the earnings that have come out, Meritage is certainly leading the way today, but we've gotten decent reports out of Lennar, Pulte, and what they're suggesting is that the low-end segment is what's really fueling the growth right now. So we're seeing some companies now start to really focus on building up on the low-end segment, which is, I think, a smart place.
All right, Starbucks reporting after the bell today. Joe, what do you like in this area?
Well, I own Dunkin', and obviously Starbucks is going to have the momentum of strong consumer, 70% U.S. exposure. Cautious on China, we know that, but it's the comps, and it's the potential to see 5% comps. Comps will probably be the best that we've seen since 2016. So expectations are high here. You could disappoint, but that does not mean you get out of this name just yet. You need first the evidence.
All right. Well, Facebook beat on the top and the bottom lines, as you know, and said costs related to new data privacy rules will slow revenue growth and raise expenses along with it. John, you own this one.
I did, and I still own the stock. I owned an awful lot of calls, and as it popped last night, Mel, as you guys were on air, I was selling when it was up, and now I'm very happy that I did. So I'm still in the stock, and now I've overwritten that with calls. But all the calls sold stock in the after hours last night and said adios.
Okay.